Okay, I want to give you a little tutorial on the dot commands. So to begin with, we need to make some sort of .3D space that we can work with, and so we can make some points of reference. In this case, let's start at this top corner, make a line there, and enter, and then make another line on the other corner. Let's go there, enter. So now when we get rid of these this box, we have two lines. So how would we join those two together? You would use the dot command. See, in this case, I want to go this way, which is the dot x-axis, and I use the dot command dot x, enter. It's going to say line of, and that's the one I want to choose, and needs to go to the starting point, actually, the YZ. And see, now this point and this point are on the same plane now. I'm not doing it here, but anyway. Now we're going to go down in the Z-axis. So we hit dot Z, enter, and we choose that endpoint, and then the starting point. And so we are right on the same, we're able to connect T or whatever. But anyway, that is how you draw some guidelines using the dot commands. First, you enter, you want to go this way to the dot Z, choose that, choose the beginning, and now we're on the same plane as that. And now we want to go this way, press dot X, enter, choose where we want to go to, choose the end, and it is now in line with it. So thank you very much. I hope that these commands are very useful to you.